Navigating the cost structure of decentralized applications and non-custodial crypto wallets requires a clear breakdown of how transactions are processed on the underlying blockchain architecture. Tonkeeper functions as a leading self-custody interface for the TON network, meaning the application itself does not charge hidden subscription fees, monthly account maintenance costs, or mandatory platform fees merely to download or open the software. Instead, every financial outlay associated with using Tonkeeper directly correlates to network transaction fees, decentralized exchange routing costs, or auxiliary feature utilities designed to streamline digital asset management. At the core of the TON blockchain economy, network fees compensate the decentralized validators and nodes responsible for executing smart contracts, storing ledger states, processing computations across the virtual machine, and handling message delivery. These standard network gas fees are inherently fractional compared to legacy networks like Ethereum, typically costing a fraction of a cent or a few cents equivalent in native cryptocurrency per standard transfer. Because Tonkeeper is a non-custodial gateway, these network fees go straight to the blockchain validators rather than the wallet developers, ensuring that users retain complete control over their funds while paying only for the raw computational bandwidth they consume. Standard transfers involving native network tokens generally require a minimal amount of balance to cover basic storage and computation actions. When moving native coins between addresses, the required gas is automatically deducted from the sender balance. To optimize this process further, modern wallet standards integrated within ecosystems like Tonkeeper support advanced gasless transaction mechanics. These features allow users to cover network costs directly using the specific tokens being transferred, removing the absolute requirement to hold a separate balance of native coins strictly for gas. This mechanism vastly improves user experience, particularly for individuals interacting with decentralized tokens, stablecoins, or community assets for the first time. Beyond straightforward asset transfers, users frequently engage in more complex operations such as token swaps, decentralized finance interactions, and non-fungible token movements. Swapping tokens across decentralized liquidity pools incurs specific routing and liquidity provider fees dictated by the respective decentralized exchanges or automated market makers integrated into the ecosystem. Furthermore, smart contract execution for token swaps requires greater computational effort from the network, resulting in slightly higher gas consumption than a basic peer-to-peer transfer. To address situations where users lack native coins for gas, Tonkeeper introduces an innovative utility known as the battery feature. The battery system operates on a charge-based model, permitting users to prepay for transaction overhead using alternative popular tokens, stablecoins, or traditional fiat payment gateways via mobile app stores. Within this framework, specific operations consume a predefined quantity of charges, such as a designated amount for token transfers, higher allocations for token swaps, and specific thresholds for cross-chain or stablecoin operations. Users can top up their battery balance using a wide array of accepted digital assets or via standard in-app purchases, providing a flexible buffer that completely abstracts traditional gas fee management. Additional costs can also arise when utilizing integrated third-party fiat-to-crypto gateways or credit card purchase partners within the application interface. When buying digital assets directly with a debit card, bank transfer, or alternative payment provider, external payment processors and liquidity aggregators typically apply a service percentage or processing fee. These fees are determined entirely by the third-party ramp providers rather than Tonkeeper itself, and they are clearly displayed to the user prior to confirming any fiat purchase transaction. Reviewing these partner quotes ensures complete transparency regarding conversion rates and processing premiums before completing any acquisition. Ultimately, managing expenses within Tonkeeper centers on understanding network gas parameters, optimization tools like the battery system, and third-party purchase gateways. By leveraging the inherent high throughput and low-cost design of the underlying blockchain infrastructure, users can execute transfers, interact with decentralized applications, and trade digital assets with minimal overhead while avoiding unexpected subscription charges or hidden custodial penalties.